Oh my, so apparently a lot of people, well, I shouldn't say a lot of people, but a small but vocal minority of people didn't understand that the beginning of yesterday's video was a satirical take on another hypebeast YouTuber who has broken up with multiple girlfriends. Yeah, I didn't break up with a girlfriend. Thank you guys, I really appreciate the support and all the kind wishes and stuff, but I'm good. I'm good. The Hypebeast giveaway was also a joke, but I feel sort of bad that lots of people thought it was a real giveaway. So even though I didn't break up with anyone, and even though there wasn't supposed to be a giveaway, pop tag, giveaway on my Instagram. Since we're almost at 40K, I figured what the heck, we might as well do it. This is easily the best $180 I've ever spent when it comes to camera equipment. It's a 50mm lens. I picked this up about a month ago. I've been using it for a bunch of B-roll over the past few videos, and you guys have really been enjoying it and telling me that it looks a lot better, and I would have to agree with you. It's just a nice crisp image. There's a great depth of field on it, and for $180, like if you guys are looking to get some cinematic shots for your videos, 50mm lens is the way to go. I absolutely love this, and for the price, you can't go wrong. As far as plans for today, I think we're meeting up with Seth.
What's up? I had to do that 2 times.
I'm moving to freaking Mexico, Seth. It's freezing. We had a blizzard back home in Winnipeg today, so I'm not complaining. That's the last thing you'll hear about the temperature from me.
I've got some really bad news. It's supposed to be really bad on Wednesday.
We're up on 96th Street today. I've never really been around this area. Central Park is here, Seth is here, and we've stumbled upon like the really rich white neighborhood, and there's a whole bunch of kids getting out of school right now. All of them are wearing Yeezys.
All of them.
It's weird, it's like everyone in the Upper West Side is just a hypebeast white teenager wearing Stone Island Off-White and Yeezy 350s. You wanna go to Harlem?
Yeah.
Let's go to Harlem. $125th Street. Last time I was up on 125th Street, it was the grand reopening of the House of Hoops up here, and there was a riot for the top 3 Jordan 1s and copper foam posits that they were releasing. It was insane. It was absolutely insane. There was people freaking out. The cops had to shut it down for the top 3 Jordan 1s and copper foam posits. I seriously doubt there's gonna be any riots today, but there is a whole bunch of sneaker stores up here. There's the first ever House of Hoops, there's Atmos, there's a Foot Action. I just gave you the middle finger. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know, I thought we might as well do something different today, so we are in Harlem on 125th Street. I think we're gonna do some sneaker shopping. They actually have some awesome stuff in Foot Action. They have the Rockefeller Air Force Ones. I mean, I know these aren't like super hyped up and they've been sitting for months, but for 150 bucks an all-white Air Force One with just the little hits, I feel that makes the shoe so much better. I might try these on if they have a size 12. I know I have a lot of white shoes that I like to wear and beat up. This could be another one, because I would wear these like every day. This is interesting. They still have the Playoff 13 sitting here. Seth, we actually had these at my Nike outlet for $110.
I would have bought them.
I bought a second pair for $110. If you want me to go get you a pair, I'll go get you a pair.
Yeah, but the duties will get me.
No, I'll lie and say they're $5 if I ship them to you. Ooh, okay. This is my first time seeing these, the Equality Jordan 1s. Did these sell out?
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
Do these have resale value?
Not anymore, but they for the first like couple days they did.
Should I buy these?
If you like them.
I sort of dig these, but I don't like how it's suede or nubuck. Like if this is leather, these would be...
Oh, I thought it was all leather.
If this is all leather, these would 100% be a purchase, but I mean, the suede's not the best, is it?
It's not, it's more, yeah, it's like really short nubuck.
I almost had a heart attack. I turned around and saw these, I'm like, holy, there's Royals on the shelf. and it turns out they're just some bunk mid-top that's like a purple and blue instead of black and blue. But put these on the shelf. Tell me that does not look like a Jordan 1 Royal from that angle. Jordan Brand, stop free controlling us. I can't believe they're still making these shoes, but we're at House of Hoops now, and the Jordan Futures are apparently a shoe that's still in production. These were like hyped in 2014. 2014, this is the new thing that Jordan Brand was doing, and colorways sold out as soon as they released. I didn't know they still made these. I mean, I had a couple pairs back in the day, and it's not a terrible shoe, but did you know they still made Jordan Futures? Oh my goodness, look what I just found. The Vachetta Tan Kamikaze 2s. These came out a couple months ago, I want to say. And I don't know if it's a collaboration with anyone or if it's just a really awesome idea for the Kamikaze 2. I have a couple pairs of these. I think I actually only have one. I did sell a pair. But I do have a pair of the Kamikaze 2s. Classic shoe, super comfortable shoe. And this colorway is actually really nice. This place has some Jordans sitting. Look at this. So we have the Bulls over Broadway, which came out All-Star Weekend 2014. Lady Liberties, All-Star Weekend 2014. These are called like the Statue of Liberties or something. These came out years ago. We have the Marvin the Martians. These ones came out 2-3 years ago. The Wheat Jordan 4 Premiums. These ones came out over a year ago. How is all this stuff sitting here? Oh my goodness. Look what they have sitting at Champ Sports, the Jeter 1s. Now these aren't the original Jeter 1s, these are like the Jeter 1 2s or Jeter 1 2.0s, but these things are freaking fresh and I've never seen these sitting anywhere. As far as I knew they had sold out. We didn't get these at home at my Foot Lockers or Champs or anything. Whew. They're checking to see if they have a size 12 right now. This is a possible purchase for sure. These are nice. Oh my goodness, yes, they have a size 12. These are gorgeous. Should I get these?
You should. You really should, honestly.
Should I really get these?
You get them in New York too, it's even better. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, these are really, really freaking nice.
And they're in your size too.
I feel like I should get these. I got them. I got them. Okay, they're nice, I will give you that, but I've been trying to save money and not spend so much money on Jordan 1s. This is my 50th pair, Seth, this is my 50th pair of Jordan freaking 1s. Most people do not own 50 pairs of shoes, and I own 50 pairs of Jordan 1s, but I wear the same beat up white pair every single day. That concludes Harlem sneaker shopping. Back to Midtown. Back in Midtown. I was really trying not to buy this pair of shoes, but this kid talked me into it. I mean, it's a nice, did I need them though? This is my 50th pair of Jordan 1s.
You needed them.
This is my 50th pair of Jordan 1s.
You could have worse pairs than this one.
This is true, I do have worse pairs than these.
Is this the actual box for it?
Yeah, this is the actual box. It comes in the regular Jordan 1 box, which I'm a big fan of. I have lots of these. There's nothing too crazy about it. I mean, it's simple, it's white, it's black, it says respect. All the respect is 3M, which I think is pretty cool. Oh, it actually, whoa!
Yeah, so it's 3M.
It says different words.
Yep.
Focus, discipline, block the noise, passionate.
So the 3M is like the base, and then you've got the text printed on over it.
This is cool.
No, it's sick.
The leather quality is actually really, you know what? You're the shoe review guy. 30-second review, what do you think?
Okay. What's up guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to Seth Fowler if you haven't yet. But jumping right into the sneaker, the first thing you notice around the toe box of the shoe is that you've got this white, pretty decent tumbled leather. It's not incredible, it's a little plasticky, but it's not bad. The rest of the upper from the toe to the midfoot is covered in this 3M material. It's sort of got this gray, sort of black finish to it. On top of that, you've got some black printing with some text that says things like, is that fearless? Fearless, discipline, things like that. So when you hit it just right with the right light, you get this really nice glow and you get to see all the text, which I think is sick. And of course, you got your white swoosh, you got your white heel counter, your white wings right there with your black Air Jordan wings.
This guy's
logo.
really good at reviewing shoes. Whatever, 160, the leather's not the best, the colorway is not the best, but it's pretty good.
I think the colorway's
no,
dope.
but I mean, I'm saying there's better colorways.
I mean, yeah, of course there are. But
Derek Jeter 1s, 2.0, black, white, respect. Respect. That's really all I have to say. is everything for today. That was a great day. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.